But Lord Chaitanya, he brought this into the Gaudiya Sampradaya. This has come into the Gaudiya Sampradaya, and it is for developing Madhurya Bhav. The only purpose of this mantra is for developing Gopi Bhav, Madhurya Bhav. That's why we have Kam Gayatri. And sometimes in some missions you'll meet somebody, they're chanting Kam Gayatri and they want to be a coward boy. They say they want to be a coward boy. That's well and good. If that's somehow that you have that sthairati from some guru last life or whatever, that's not what Lord Chaitanya is really giving or writing about or speaking about. He's speaking everywhere about Gopi Bhav. When his whole discussion of Ramananda Roy is speaking about any kind of bhav and any kind of sadhana upasana, he's talking about gopi. Just think of your Siddhadeya as a gopi. Day and night serve Radha Krishna's pastimes. It's right in Chaitanya Charitamrita. So when Lord Chaitanya talks about a param gati, he talks about Madhurya Rati, worshipping Radha Krishna in Gopi Bhav. When he talks about, that's called prayojan. When he talks about the abhideya or sadhana, he says, Ratri Dine Radha Krishna Chintan Siddhadeya. You just meditate on Radha Krishna and Siddhadeya and Gopi Bhav. He says Gopi Bhava Angikara. Gopi Bhava Angikara. He doesn't say Gopa Bhav Angikara. So you can follow the line of Sakirati, but it's not Gaudiya. You follow that line and you find from Chaitya Guru, as it says in 11th canto, Uddhava Gita. Maybe Uddhava is even speaking. I think Uddhava is glorifying Krishna. He's saying, Krishna, you're so merciful that you appear in two forms as Acharya, Chaitya Guru, Acharya Guru Vapusha. That Chaitya Guru Vapusha. Acharya Guru Chaitya Vapusha. Vapu means form. So Krishna is so merciful. Uddhava is glorifying Bhagavan Sri Krishna. He's saying, you're so merciful. You appear in two forms. One form you appear externally as the Acharya, the Guru, the Diksha Guru, and internally you appear as Chaitya Guru, Paramatma. So if someone comes in a Sakiras, I sometimes heard that they have in the Gaudiya mission. So then how will they find any gurus to give the mantra for the upasana? How will they find any gurus to give the sadhana? They won't. No one's giving in the Gaudiya Sampradaya. So then how will they progress? Then it has to be by Chaitya Guru. You follow? Chaitya Guru. But then there's no need for the Kam Gayatri. So there's a lot of different views. Kali Yuga is many views. many views, not too much agreement. Agreement is not too much found in Kali Yuga. Lots of disagreement. Kalaha. Kalaha means quarrel. Yeah, kalaha. Kalaha. I say kalaha. So this is Kali. Kali Yuga means Kalaha Yuga. Kalaha Yuga means quarrel. I remember this term, it's in Prabhupada's books, Chaitanya Charitamrita, and it was in the Tika. This is Bhaktivinoda Thakur's Tika, which Prabhupada is translating from the Bengali edition, Gaudiya Math. And all those Tikas are basically Bhaktivinoda Thakur, which were printed by his son, Bhaktisiddhanta. And Prabhupada translated CC from that copy, because there's not too many other Tikas. There are some other Tikas, 5-7 Tikas in Bengali on the Chaitanya Charitamrita, but they're not any famous persons. So for the IGM, or ISKCON Gaudiya Math, as they say, Bhaktivinoda Thakur is like a famous, acharya. So they respect and they quoted his Tika.